So hi guys and welcome back on my YouTube channel. So this is part 5 and the final part of my Singapore travel series. So if you haven't watched the previous parts, so please go watch it. So guys, this is my last part of my Singapore travel series as I told you. So please like this video, share this video with your friends and also subscribe to my channel. So let's get started. Behind me you can see the Chinese place of worship, which is also known as Gong. As we know, Singapore is a mix of people coming from different religion and different religious beliefs, which includes people from China, India and many other countries. In this trip, we are gonna see the iconic statue of Merlion. This iconic statue is located opposite to the Marina Bay Sands Hotel. Also, the Merlion symbolizes the original name of Singapore, which was Singapura, and Singapore City is also known as the Lion City. During my visit to Singapore, I observed a unique thing with cold drink brands. While they also exist in India, few of the flavors that they produce for Singapore are not available in India, like the Coca-Cola apple flavor that you see in my hand now. After a quick visit to the Merlion statue, it was time to visit another famous location, the Little India. Since it was post-Diwali time, we can still see the Diwali decoration. By the time we reached Little India, I was really hungry, and now was the time for lunch. We had a lunch at Ananda Bhavan Veg restaurant. Every city has its own electronic hub where one can find all varieties of electronic devices. For Mumbai, it is Lamington Road, and for Singapore, it is the place that you see in my background. It is known as Sim Lim Square. This is Sim Lim Square from inside. Another famous location in Singapore and a must visit for shopaholics is the Chinatown. Chinatown is famous for Chinese jewelry as well as Chinese outfits. You can also get gift items here which you can take back home for friends and family. There is also a metro station which you can take if you are coming to Chinatown. What you see in the background now is the famous Singaporean fruit, the durian. Traveling with this fruit is strictly prohibited in public transport due to its strong smell. This is another flavor of cold drink which we have not got in India till now. This is a vanilla flavored Pepsi. Singapore is also famous for shopping location, the Mustafa, which is open 24/7. It is a huge shopping complex across the street. When I entered this place, it reminded me of DMart back in India. After a tiring day of shopping, it was time for me to go back to the hotel and relax in the pool. This was my last night in the vibrant city. On my way to dinner, I found a cafe with the Friends theme, where all the furniture and things used in the Friends series were kept for the display of the customer. Time to head back to the airport, going to Mumbai. Had a wonderful time in Singapore, but like they say, all good things come to an end. Okay guys, so that is it for this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, share this video with your friends and also subscribe to my channel. And thanks for the amazing response on all my videos. It really means a lot to me. Thanks for watching.